If your iPhone hotspot option is grayed out and not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some quick fixes to solve it. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Personal Hotspot. If the option is available, simply turn it on, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back off. If it's completely grayed out, go back and tap on Cellular. Here, turn off cellular data, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This refreshes your network connection. Now tap on Cellular Data Options. Make sure data roaming is enabled. Then tap on Voice and Data and select 5G Auto. After that, go back and make sure data mode is set to standard. Once done, return to the main settings page and check Personal Hotspot again. If it's still grayed out, go to General, scroll down, and tap Shutdown. Restart your iPhone, because a simple restart often fixes small bugs and glitches. And if the issue is still not fixed, then the problem might be with your carrier plan. Some mobile plans don't include hotspot access. In that case, contact your carrier like AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile and confirm if Personal Hotspot is enabled on your plan. That's it. Your hotspot should be working now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.